So before I start the video, I want to tell you, don't mess with these species. These are the chasers actually. Hello guys, so I wanted to share you some feedback about the Twonav GPS, which I've been using from past 8 months for my bike ride records and track recording. This is my best partner from 8 months. So I'll first show you the installation part. You have some the handlebar mount. The main benefit of this GPS is actually you don't have to keep any scratches on the handlebar. You got the bands and then the bracket, and it is supplied with some cushion, something like a rubber. The main purpose of this rubber and the bands is to protect the GPS from the vibrations. Usually what we do is we use the GPS using our mobile phone or something that will damage or that will disturb the internal circuitry of the mobile phones. So I got this GPS from Tarnaka. I'll share you the address in the description. So first I'm installing my bracket first, and then I'll show you how to keep the GPS also. So this is a simple installation. All you have to do is just press the GPS onto the bracket and then rotate it, and then it will be very tight. So I'm keeping the bracket on, and then I'm taking this band. The band is also very durable actually. It is not like a normal rubber band. So you just have to pull it very hard and then keep it onto the other side. So this makes the bracket completely tight. See here, yeah. So yeah, this is all tight now. I just have to adjust the bands. You have different thickness of bands and different sizes of the bands, so you can use any of them according to the size of your handlebar. Yeah, now this is rigid. Now I'm just fixing my Twonav cross on this. So you just put on that and then rotate it, and that gets locked, and it is hard. See, you can see there is no gap between the handlebar and all, so there is no problem of shaking or slipping your device during the rides. So actually today I was planning for a longer ride, but because of the bad weather I am unable to go. So I just wanted to show this video to you. This is actually having a 20 hours battery backup, and the brightness is also very good. This is having both adaptive brightness and auto brightness, and this is a touchscreen device, so you can directly use it like a mobile phone, except for calling and all. So you see here the battery, and then we have different options like sensors. So this is connected with 3 kinds of satellite corrections: GPS, GLONASS and Baidu, or GPS, GLONASS and Galileo for better accuracy. So I am actually using this for cycling as well as trekking also. This will be very good for trekking also. If you have any kind of sensors, you can connect them, and then you have a cloud service in which you can directly log in, register yourself, and then transfer all the data or all the routes, all the records to that cloud, and you can share it to all the people. And when it comes to the sensors, you have heart rate sensor and other sensors for pedaling and all. So if you have a sensor, you can connect it. Right now I am not using any sensor. This is all Bluetooth based, so you can connect the same GPS with your mobile also. Yeah, fine. So let us see the other features in this. So I think I almost got my signal to 5 meters, and it is fluctuating now. It will just take some time. So in the meantime I will show you the profiles, whatever I can add. I have the brightness here, so if I keep on auto brightness, then it will automatically adjust to the brightness, or I can keep manual brightness also. You can use continuously for with high brightness you can use for 20 hours. So what I usually do is reduce the brightness to manual and then go for a ride, and this is like protective to the sunlight, so there is no problem in traveling in hot sun except for our health. So I've got 2 meters of accuracy, and the best thing is this is compatible with all kinds of routes like Strava, Training Peaks, Komodo, and IGN, Rando, Trace GPS, and all these things. Even if you have any kind of your own maps, you can upload them and then use them, or you can download some OSM maps, OpenSheet maps, and then you can load them. This is having 13 GB inbuilt memory, so there is no need to worry about the track size and all. The use is also very easy. See, you have the zoom in and zoom out buttons on the left hand side, and the exact location you can see here with some route. So I'll show you while I'm driving. Now you have different options like free activity, or follow a route, or go to a place, or training by distance and all. So if any of your friends who have already followed a route or went to a trek or went for a ride, that map you can upload in your Twonav and then you can use it. So if I want to start, I'll directly go for the start activity, and then I can see my whole record of how much distance I have traveled, what is my current speed or what is my total speed, and other information. So right now I'm just turning it off. While I was going out, I'll turn it on and then start the recording and show it to you. So whenever you are done with your work, you can just rotate and pull. So that is such easy operation. Now I am on my route. So I've already traveled 700 meters now with a speed of 8 or 9 kilometers per hour, and you can see the route is being recorded, and then I have different data pages in which I can see the time and then the distance I have traveled, and other features like the elevation and profile. So that depends, like whatever you wanted to choose you can just see. And see, while I was going on a hard road, there is very little vibration on the GPS, and the best thing is you can see the actual features. So I am having a railway track on my right hand side and the GPS is showing the same. I have completed my ride, and see in 8 minutes I have covered 1.24 kilometers. So I am just stopping the activity here, and then you can see the distance I have traveled and the calories I have burned, and you can add some details like your name or your any team name, and then you can save it. So after this you can use it for any guiding other people, or when you are planning for a long trip to some with a group, you can use these maps. So this is the basic operation. And when it comes to track back or following a route, whatever the route it is saved inside the GPS, you can follow the same, and it will show you every turn, and it will notify you when you are approaching a turn. That I will show you. See here, you have the departure time, arrival time, speed, time, distance, lap analysis and all. So this is where I am stopping right now, and I want to go back. So if I click on start and follow a route, then I will be following a route which is already existing. Or if I want to go back to my starting place, I can just click on that, and then I can select the route. See, now you can see it's highlighted in blue, and it is showing you the next turn distance. Yeah, so in 600 meters I have a turn to the left, and all I have to do is follow this route now. So I started my cycling again back to my starting point. See, if I can zoom, I will see the direction indications, and I finally reached my home. So I'm stopping the activity, and if you want, you can mark any waypoints on your way return, or any point of interest, so that other people can see the same map, and they can find out like you have this spot to stop and all. So this is the end of the video.